I guess today we'll call on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new projector. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you, so let's go and take a look at it. These are cool, like watch movies, sports, things like that. It's got your user manual. Here's the actual projector itself. 2 HDMI ports. Very cool. Set the lens cover for it. They give you a remote, HDMI cable, looks like some cleaning supplies for it, and then the power cable. So it's gonna actually hook it up and see how it looks. All right, so I got it hooked up. So as you can see, barely setting it up, but even with all the lights on, still looks very clear. So we're just gonna go through these. Get up to the Wi-Fi. I'll adjust it how it looks on the wall here in a second, but. All right, so as you can see, got it perfectly set up right there. And this is the first screen that you get once you log in. So see, it's got the pre-built-in Netflix, YouTube, YouTube Kids, Prime Video. So a lot of the standard ones that you normally would do. So let's go to YouTube. So okay, so I went ahead and turned off the lights, got the YouTube ready to go, so let's see how it actually looks. You can see not bad for just being on YouTube. Let's go ahead and play something else on here. All right, and this is what the sports will look like, and using the projector for that.
Joe Gray, the backup tight end with another big pass play. Here's first and goal. Hunt is the running back. And they bring it back around. And they toss it to him. It's Rice. Cutting through. And he's in the end zone for a touchdown. We do have a flag down.
So as you can see, even on sports, it still looks really, really good. All right, and then I did come back to the main screen, and I just wanted to see what other applications you could either download or already come pre-downloaded. So as you can see, Disney Plus is already on there. Hulu. You have the actual ESPN app on there as well, Facebook. And then the next one I did want to just try this iOS cast. I do have an iPhone and an iPad, so let's see if we can get it set up on here. iPad. They just have to be on the exact same Wi-Fi, and as you can see, it did. So now, as you can see, it doesn't look, we can actually modify the focus on here. So we either need to let, so now let's go and actually try something out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit play on here. So you can see, casting it directly from the iPad. So as you can see, all of them look very, very good, even if it's being casted directly from the iPad to the projector. And last thing that I will show you is if you go to your settings, you are able to, add maybe a speaker. If it's not loud enough for you, you can always add like a soundbar or something to it as well. So if you guys are looking for a new projector, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.